Oops, Annetta, please Weatherford.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant and Parker counties.
That's
until
you and
4:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was noted on radar near Weatherford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm could contain large hail, damaging winds, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for east-northeast of Weatherford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail are likely with this storm. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.